Okay, so we are ready for day 2. Today we have some plans to explore local places over here. We are hoping to cover some ancient caves, some waterfalls, but before that, we are really hungry and we'll go and grab our breakfast. So let's go. Okay, so we have now come to this place called Royal Crown. Uh, we just found this on our way to Edekal Caves, and what we're having for breakfast is something I really like. That is appam with chicken curry. Just have a look. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not, but yeah, it looks yum, and I can't wait to dig into this. So now we are here at Edekal Caves. It's quite a steep hike, but I don't know. Let's see how it goes from here. It looks pretty quite calm and peaceful in the midst of nature, as you say. Uh, so let's see, once we reach Edekal Caves, I will show you around for sure. So finally we have just done the climb. It was quite steep and tiring as well, so be prepared for it. Ensure that you're wearing good shoes and comfortable clothes so that you can do that. Behind me you can just see the entry point of Edekal Caves, and from here we have around 300 odd steps to climb further to reach the actual spot. Entry fees is quite reasonable, 30 rupees per person, and for my camera I paid another 50 rupees extra. I checked how much for a GoPro, because for a video camera it's 200 and for a normal camera it's 50 rupees. So he mentioned that it's 50 rupees, and let's see, I'll meet you after both of us climb 300 steps from here on. So here's a very small road block. In fact, it's a stone block, I must say. And I don't know if you can see, but it's a very narrow kind of a climb from here. So finally, after the climb, we have reached over here. These are more of a rocks than caves, but yes, pretty cool and not calm, but pretty cool atmosphere over here. Since we are here on a Sunday, there are a lot of tourists, we can probably see. Okay, and yeah, quite cool, fascinating to see these ancient rocks over here, and beautiful. It is beautiful, yeah. So now we are basically in the main area for which we did this entire climb steep, Edekal Caves. I don't know if you can see behind, there are some paintings or something. What it is said that it has been done 6,000 years ago in the Neolithic age, and to preserve the sanctity and this entire beauty of this heritage kind of art, they have put in barricades so that people can't go there and disturb the artistry of that. So we are done with Edekal Caves, now heading to our location number 2. I'll see you over there when we reach. We are going to some waterfalls. What waterfalls is that?
नहीं मालूम.
So yeah, we'll just check our phones and understand where we are going, because we really don't remember the name. So let's see. So now we are okay. So now we basically started from Edekal Caves and we were going to Kandampara waterfalls, and we just stopped in middle of this beautiful tea estate. I don't know if you can see that behind, but it's too good. I'm not even sure if the camera will be able to do justice to the view and the atmosphere what we are in right now, but nevertheless we definitely suggest you guys to take that route, from Edekal Caves to Kandampara waterfalls, and then enjoy this beautiful view of tea estate. Kandampara waterfalls, and we are passing this beautiful tea estate. It is an amazing drive and an amazing feeling as well. Definitely recommended for the drive at least. Okay, so finally we have entered Kandampara waterfalls. The viewpoint what you can see behind me is the first viewpoint what you will get to see. आप जैसे ही अंदर आओगे, towards your right this is what you get to see, and just behind me again, that is the area wherein you can enter the water. It's pretty clean and well maintained. What I have heard from the authorities here is that say by January or December end, you can further go ahead and till the waterfall. So the enjoyment quotient will be even more if you are planning to come to Kandampara waterfalls in the month of December 2020 or January 21 onwards. So right now we have just strolled around 100 meters and we have reached this point. This is one viewpoint of the Kandampara waterfalls. I must say the entire area and the waterfall, Kerala tourism as well as Why Not tourism authorities, they have done a very good job of keeping this place clean and well maintained. Even the waterfall, the water is quite clean. And just one trivia about this place, this water comes from Chembara Peak and it heads till Malappuram district and joins a river over there. So now we are at a restaurant called Tarwad. Basically this hotel is a new establishment. It's been around 6 months that they have just started. But this place, the property in which this hotel is, it is since 1947 and it looks quite a bit rustic as well as
Colonial. Uh, it's a good experience till now. Here we have ordered a KD parotha with beef. Now it's an interesting preparation as well. I hope you are able to see that. What they do is basically inside a banana leaf, they keep parotha and then they steam the beef inside that only. So, and flavors of your banana leaf comes out really well in the food. Hot, okay. This is how it looks. Can't wait to dig into it right now.
So now we are calling it a day for tonight. So this morning we covered 2 spots. We were planning to go to another 2 spots, but unfortunately they were closed due to COVID. But now we have come to this place called New Hotel. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so we have ordered some dinner. Calling it a day by having chicken alfam and chicken biryani. See you tomorrow.